Hi, my name is Lynn, and I want to talk to you today about my leaf filter system. 2 months ago, I had to make a decision. For the past 2 summers, I have had rotten wood replaced on my home. I had a new roof two summers ago, so they came and they put the new roof on and told me, "You've got a lot of rotten wood, lady." So spent another $2,500 for them to replace it, paint it, and get it set. This past summer, I had the painters come out to do my windows and my doors, and they told me that while they were there, they'd like to check the wood around the roof area. And I said, go ahead. When they did, they told me I have so much rotten wood, again, over $2,000 I had to put out. I saw this advertisement about the leaf filter system and really thought to myself, this would be a savings to me to have something like this because I cannot continue to afford this much money. So I called. The next day, this wonderful gentleman named Garrett came to my house, sat down with me after he measured and walked outside and did everything. He showed me the best route for me to take in order to avoid ever again to have gutters that are starting to come out. You can see the nails and rotten wood. I was sold. I mean, it kind of wasn't in my budget, but the more I looked at it over the length of the house time, yes, it was well worth it. They came out that week. I could not be more happy to have something like this. I feel safer. I feel the investment will always be there. No more rotten wood. And probably the best thing that I've done for this year.